everybody, welcome back. I do not have a movie this week. This week I am giving the people that have been asking my eyeshadow liner tutorial. I don't know what you call it. I'm just gonna say ahead of time, I'm not a professional. I've never been trained in makeup. I don't know what I'm doing. There's probably a million people that know how to do this better, but I'm still going to show you guys how I do mine specifically. And I know I already have it on, but I'm going to reverse engineer one eye for you and then put it on, like basically show you how I do it. And then it'll be easier because I kept trying to make this video, first of all, in the daytime. I can't do it because it's too loud out in front of my apartments in the day. And then it's also, I haven't had caffeine in the morning, so I'm just not ready in the morning. And, yeah, I just can't do it in the daytime. I keep trying. Also, when I do mine, I go back and forth from eye to eye, and it makes it kind of hard. That's just like my ADD way of doing things. It makes it kind of hard for people to kind of really pay attention to what I'm doing, and it also makes the video 5 hours long because to do my whole makeup takes 45 minutes, and the way that I do it is so weird. It's so not step by step, you guys. So if I just do one eye, you'll get the gist. Oh, why did I put these down? ADD. First of all, here's some things that you need, but you probably should get better things than I have because I'm a broke bitch and I don't have nice things. I have shitty things that I've been using for years that I also don't clean, that you should clean because this is gross. But this is what I have. This is what I'm working with, guys. I have a concealer brush, but I love this brush, and I could possibly afford to replace it, but I just like this one, and it's just sharp enough, and it's just good for getting along here and doing this shit, you know? Then you need something to do your liner with. I don't care what it is. This one's from Kat Von D. I don't know. It says this is 75. Look at that. I really don't want to put any of this shit in the description because I'm not going to remember all this. Just, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Get the ones that you can work with the best. These tools, I mean, they do kind of matter. You do need nice brushes, but like get the ones that you know how to use. And then I use this. This helps me do kind of like a smudging of the gel eyeliners that I use. And then this does more of like the feathering of the eyeshadow I use. Now, as for products, I would suggest, no, I am not sponsored by Kat Von D Beauty. As a friend of Kat Von D, I have received some product in the past, but I don't know if I will continuously receive now that their business has changed. Anyway, this, I don't care whoever owns it, I need it all the time. Anti-precision liner. This is the best product for doing what I do. I love it. Why do I have two of those right now? Oh, this one's old. You don't need that. Then you need, oh, because I was supposed to grab the cake liner pencil for wherever it is. There is a cake pencil. That's also a Kat Von D product. This is going to go on the inner eye. Then you need, I'm going to use Tarte makes this really cool. This can also go in the inner eye too. This little liner. I mean, I should sharpen it and show you. That's how that can go there too. But I'm all about this felt tip right here. Kat Von D makes some good ones too. This one seems a little more pigmented to me, but I don't know, I could be tripping. And you guys, I just use whatever mascara I can find because you can't really see my eyelashes anyway. I'm using this. I use it because it's cheap. It's on sale. It's small. And then I suggest a primer like Urban Decay. I'm using the anti-aging because bitch is old. All right. Now, let's get this started for you. Move my hair out of the way. Oh. You ready? Are you ready for this? I try not to take off my brow because I don't want to redo that, but I'm going to take off every bit of this makeup for you. Look, I'm just going to leave it like that. That's nice. No. Wait, maybe I can fast forward this part. Let's see if I can edit this to fast forward it out. These wipes are so good. Oh my god. Also, so the couple times I tried to make this video before in the day, my neighborhood, it's just constant helicopters and ambulances all freaking day. At night, we're probably going to hear some people screaming. But that's all you get in my neighborhood at night. I mean, well, sometimes helicopters and ambulances too, but not as much as in the day. Because I live right off Hollywood Boulevard, guys. And there's constant drama out there. Alright, that's about it. Look, that's my eyeball without makeup. Whoa! We're going to add a little bit of foundation right now, just because I don't like the black shadow to fall out all over my face. And this helps keep it from getting in my pores. Or maybe that's psychological. I don't know. I'm not a doctor or a makeup artist or anything. You tell me why. Seems to work though. Okay. Alrighty, alrighty. See, there's already makeup down here. Get out of there. We're trying to keep this side nice. Stop it. Damn it. Alright. We got this clear space to start all over again to make this eye look like this eye. Now, first, you need some primer. Just put it on your finger or put it directly on your eye. Dabble it in there. Do this as fast as possible. So people can just get this frickin' idea of how to do this eye. Like I said, there are makeup artists all over YouTube doing this way better. This is the untrained version of doing this eye, but the person that has been practicing it longer than anyone else. I mean, except for probably Susie Sue. She's been doing a better eye than this for way more years. Okay, are we ready? Let's get precision. Oh, I need this mirror. I'm going to try not to lose focus for you. How am I going to do this? Like this? You still get focus? Okay. See what's happening? Should I be closer for you? Can't really tell what's going on, but this liner does dry kind of fast, so, and always put the cap back on. You don't want it to dry out, God forbid. Oh. Now it's time to use this one, because you're gonna go, let's see, you're trying to take this line and make it a little less sharp and stretch it out a little more. That's also why I don't clean these brushes, because I always use black and I'm like, oh, it has some black already on it. It's just helping. I'm just stretching my budget out with black here. Now, you'll need to do it for a minute trying to get all these shapes the way you want them. Because then, before this dries, you want to cover it in eyeshadow. Where's my eyeshadow at? Where'd it go? Here it went. Now it's time to grab this brush that I told you that you might need, that you really need. And you're going to pat it all in there. Best to pat it in. That way you get less fallout. We don't want to keep adding more foundation. Yes, we do. Probably have 10 coats of it on already today. Because this is the end of the day for me, guys. And I don't wear powder. So whenever my face gets oily, I just add more foundation because it's mattifying. It works for me. I don't know. Did I go too high? No, but I need to go longer. This helps me just add a little length there too. Because I want this to match this. We're getting closer. We're getting closer, guys. Oh my God. Now you can just take this cake pencil liner. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna go inside the eye first, look. Right up in it. If you're feeling brave. Okay, and then I get it all the way out so I can pull down on here. Oh no, I need to do that with a gel liner and a brush. We'll do that in a minute. See, we're getting closer. Now, I forgot to mention, I also sometimes like to get some detail with this. I didn't even bring this up at first, but you can use any gel liner. This is called Mellow, and I think it was like $18, and it lasts forever. I love this shit. Because this, you just take a little bit of this, get it on here, get your mirror, and then I'm going to pull this to make this line longer. Oh, it's hard to see what I'm doing with this mirror this way. Can also straighten this side. Ugh. Oh, it's tedious. Okay. Maybe put a little on top too, because there's still some white spots. Just keep making everything thicker. Oh, I don't like this. That wasn't supposed to happen. I got a clump. Oops. Okay. Now, put the lid on. Alright. And now I'm going to take this beautiful liner to get a little more straight. Oh. Really would be nice to use both my hands so I could, you know, hold my eye so I don't have to make crazy faces, but whatever. It's funny, like my wrinkles that I have in my face are less from laughing or like other things in life than they are for just putting on makeup. Like from doing those things. Did I say that right? Oh, there we go. Let me just darken this while we're here. Not that it matters, but it kind of does. Okay. See? We're getting there. Now, did I even mention the concealer? This is why you need to see a professional, people. Don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't know where the concealer is. It's probably behind here somewhere. Whatever. I'm going to use this. I had a white concealer, though. I lost it. This one, though. Well, not a professional. Once again, I will remind you, I'm not. Okay? Now, this is what this brush is for. That's why you need this. You're gonna go and fix. See, like if I get really close, you can kind of see why I need this. It needs precision here. I want it tapered AF. Okay, and also I'm noticing it's a little light over here, so let me try to get some pigments spread over here. There's a spot I want to get. Always. No. All right. Something needs to be done. I think I should use this and some powder to fix this area here. Is just not picking up pigment right now, but that's okay. We're fixing it, see? Getting closer. Wasting 5 hours to do this perfectly, but that's the life we chose. It's really hard to tell what I'm doing when I'm holding a mirror in my hand. I'm used to just facing one. Because when I'm holding it in my hand, my hand's not steady. When I watch people do their YouTube videos and they're holding a mirror, I'm like, they're doing a freaking amazing for holding on like that. Okay. So, this is basically it. That's it. That's all I do. That's how Malice McMunn does her eyeshadow liner routine. And if you want to know what lip color I'm wearing, it's almost never just one color. I am wearing, I'm the worst. You guys, I have a darker shade of lip liner. Then, all right, I am wearing this. This is called Swoon. This is Kat Von D Swoon, but I'm wearing a way darker lip liner that I can't find now. Oh, I found it. Okay. This is called Blood Milk. So that's around the frame, and then there's this. I always like to do multiple colors because I just do. There you have it. Please like and subscribe or hate it. I don't know. Do you? But that's what I do. Thank you.